Hey guys, today I've got a very exciting unboxing. I know this product has been out for ages, I just haven't gotten around to buying it and trying it. But today I have the QiYi clock, and everyone that does clock and that reviews clocks on YouTube has said that this is the best clock ever. So yeah, I'm very excited to try this out. Anyways, let's get this opened up. This plastic packaging is very bad for the turtles. Okay, anyways. Wow, okay, this design is very sleek. It looks very modern. Certainly a lot more modern than this one. I mean, look at the difference. It's quite a contrast. Anyways, let's get this out. So it looks like we have a nice stand in case I want to display it, and some cards. This guy, the clock, and the clock, and this is how to solve the clock. I don't really need that. Anyways, let's get these boxes out of the way, and these cards, very useful cards. Okay, alright, first turns. Okay, first thing I noticed, these dials are so fast. Like, look at this. You can just spin them, and then look at these pins. They're so clicky. I'm looking through the camera, so that wasn't that good. But wow, this is actually insane. For, I don't know how much it is in US dollars, but in Aussie dollars, $42, this is such a great deal. Although that's not a very, budget friendly, I mean, I think it's worth it. I haven't done any solves yet though, or any times, so I'll try it later. Okay, so looks like the magnets are actually inside the gears. I can feel that, definitely. I'm not sure where exactly they are in the gears, maybe like between the teeth of the gears and the teeth of the pins. And don't forget the magnets inside the pins. So the speed of this is actually going to take so much to get used to. I genuinely don't know how long it would take for me to get used to this, but wow, this is insane. The QiYi compared to the Rubik's, when I turn, like, it requires a lot of effort to just go on dial. As you can see, like, it gives a lot before it actually goes to the next clock or the next thing. And these pins on the Rubik's require a lot more effort to push, whereas in the QiYi, this is just like effortless to turn. And these pins, you just like barely tap them and they go down since they're magnetic. One problem I see with the QiYi is I might accidentally click a pin that I don't want to click because like you can just barely tap it and it goes down. But apart from that, I don't see anything wrong with the QiYi. I would definitely use this over the Rubik's. One thing I noticed is different from the QiYi to the Rubik's is that the QiYi is like this out of the box. Like, it's actually insane out of the box. You don't need to set it up, no lube, no nothing. But this, out of the box, it was so stiff and it took a lot of effort to turn. I had to like cut it open and lube it and like do some stuff to the pins to make it a bit better. But this one, right out of the box, it's just like that. So this is really good. Alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you are into clock, definitely buy this clock. I recommend it 100%. It is one of the best, and definitely actually the best clock on the market right now. It's worth the $40, and I think that you will have a very good time using it. Alright, see you later.